Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates. This is wall and ball massage for lower back pain. And you can see here I have a lovely stretch of wall, no pictures on it. The ladies in my life love putting pictures on walls. That's all right. We can always take the picture off so we can get into some wall and ball massage. There are 6 quick massages that I'm going to show you. I'm just going to tuck my shirt in. That'll save any ripples and creases catching. And it'll also become obvious why I'm doing that shortly. So, lower back pain, I'm going to include the hips as well. First 3 moves are across the back hip pocket and over to the side of the hip. Starting with the top of the back hip pocket, just place that ball. We go into a monkey squat, the knees bend wide. You may not see that, but the knees are bent wide. They bend a little. We hinge at the hips and engage the wall. And once we're with the wall, we can just lean back and massage the top of the back hip pocket. You see I can come right round. I've got most of the weight on the front of my feet. The knees are bent wide, and I've got lots of movement here. That's the top of the back hip pocket. That's number 1. Number 2, a little lower, center of the buttock, center of hip pocket. This is directly over the piriformis muscle. Knees bend wide, bottom to the wall, and then we can get our torso erect. And again, a little more weight in the front of the foot. I can feel the balls of toes and toes pressing into the ground. Third line of massage, just over the sit bone, lower back hip pocket. Knees bend wide, hinge at the hips, engage with the wall. Once we're there, we can have the torso vertical. The 4th massage is the sausage muscles, either side of the spine, the erector spinae. And we could go anywhere along here. I'm just going to start at a common spot as between the lower ribs and the hips. So again, knees wide, bottom to the wall behind, monkey squat. Once the wall and ball are engaged, you just get my body vertical. And a little more weight on the front of the feet, so I'm really nimble for just massaging up and down. We can replace that ball a little higher maybe. That's about the lower ribs, and even higher than that. So that's the sausage muscles, that's the 4th. Now the 5th is just taking it over the rest of the back, lower ribs here. And and we could be surprised what sort of painful knots and tight bands are on the muscles. And then just a little bit lower, just below the lowest rib. And up and down and rotating. 6th and final most is coming round into the side abs and the front abs, because abs can contribute to lower back pain. Round we go. Start feeling like a dancer, round we go. The weight's in the front of the foot, the knees are slightly bent, and there we go. And even right round to the tummy muscles and the 6-pack muscles. This is why we've got the weight on the front of the feet. We can twist and we can lower and lift. So that was 6 massage exercises for lower back pain. This is Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates.